Okay. So I think you know now what is the difference between ratio and proportion, right? What is ratio and what is proportion? Let us move forward. Wait on. Okay. Now let me give you one shortcut. If you are given A is to B and B is to C, from that if you have to find A is to B is to C, then how you will find that? See here. So suppose in the question, this is your first learning today, that they have given you A is to B as 2 is to 3, B is to C as 4 is to 5. Now you have to find A is to B is to C. Okay. Now see how you will find this. So remember this shortcut for this. This is your shortcut. You have to remember these symbols. Okay. And your symbols are this. First we'll multiply these two. Then we'll multiply these two because here B and B are common. And then we'll multiply these two. Okay. So we'll multiply first these two. Those are 2 and 4. Then we'll multiply 3 and 4. Means those are this B. And then you will multiply final term. Okay. So this will become 2 4s are 8 is to 4 3s are 12 is to 5 3s are 15. So is it clear? क्या shortcut clear हुआ? Students, please give me some response. Type in chat box. Students, please type in chat box. Is it clear or not? Huh. Right. What about others? Only Praveen is replying. What about others? क्या ये पता चला कि नहीं? अगर ये shortcut clear है तो मैं दूसरा shortcut दिखा रहा हूँ. What about Hitesh, Mahima, Roshan, Ahmed, Tatsat? Yes. Okay. So see next shortcut. Now suppose you have been given AB, A is to B, B is to C, C is to D. Okay. Now from that you have to find A is to B is to C is to D. So for that what we can do? See, if they have given to you in the question A is to B is equal to 1 is to 2, then B is to C is equal to 3 is to 4, and C is to D equal to 5 is to 6. Okay. Now from that you have to find A is to B is to C is to D. Okay. So that I'll explain you how you can find this. Okay. So for that also you have to remember few signs. Now see those signs over here. So first what we have done over this case or done in this case, A is to B and B is to C, first we have multiplied these two. So in the same way first we are going to multiply here. Okay, all these terms. Then in last we have multiplied these two. So here also in last we'll multiply all these terms. So now we got A and D. Now we are left for B and C. So for B we'll multiply these two, right? And for C we'll multiply these two. Means in this way we will move. Okay. अब यहाँ पे अगर आपको कंफ्यूजन हो कि सर इसमें कौन सा बी लेना है कौन सा सी लेना है तो सी ओवर हियर आप पहले इन तीनों को मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हैं. इसमें बी आपका 2 टाइम्स है तो डेफिनेटली ये आपको किसका प्रोडक्ट देगा? बी का. राइट. इफ यू आर मल्टीप्लाइंग दिस टू दिस 3 तो यहाँ पे आपका सी 2 टाइम्स है तो इसको मल्टीप्लाई करोगे तो ये आपको किसका प्रोडक्ट देगा? सी. ओके. सो फ्रॉम हियर वी कैन राइट A is to B is to C is to D is equal to, okay, so here our A will be 3 ones are 3, 3 fives are 15, that is 15 is to B will be this into this, 3 twos are 6, 6 fives are 30 is to C will be 5 fours are 20, 20 twos are 40 is to 4 twos are 8, 8 six are 48. So it is 15 is to 30 is to 40 is to 48. So is it clear now? From these shortcuts, now we can solve so many questions. Right. So just give me first this response. क्या ये चीज आपको clear हो गई? Okay. Okay. So shall we see questions based on it? Okay. चलो अब इसके बेस पे से क्वेश्चन शुरू करते हैं. तो कुछ क्वेश्चंस मैं आपको यहाँ पे कराऊंगा, कुछ क्वेश्चंस मैं आपको होमवर्क दूंगा. Okay, we are going to see so many questions based on it, so many different questions. Okay, so let us start. Wait, let me open the PDF. Okay, so first let us see question number 1, 3.2 question number 1. Okay, ratio and proportion. They are asking if A is to be equal to 8 is to 15, if A is to be equal to 8 is to 15, B is to C equal to 5 is to 8, B is to C equal to 5 is to 8, C is to D equal to 4 is to 5, C is to D equal to 4 is to 5. Now they are asking what will be A is to D. Only they are asking ratio of A and D. Chalo, how we will do that? Anyone? Sorry. Okay. Okay. Chalo, who will tell me about this? A is to D कैसे मिलेगा? ओके थोड़ा सोचो, अभी हम देख के गए उसी तरीके से करना है स्टूडेंट्स, राइट. ए के लिए this 3 and for D this 3, right? So A is to D will be equal to 8 5s are 40, 40 4 4s are 16, that is 160. Okay, is to 15 8 and 5, or we can also do one smart work over here, because we all know that in left hand side we have to multiply this 3, that is 8 into 5 into 4. In right hand side we have to multiply 15 into 8 into 5. So 8 and 5 are common both the places, so 8 and 5 will get cancelled out, so it will be 4 is to 15. Is it clear? So A is to D will be 4 is to 15. Okay, Praveen, check your answer. देखो कहाँ पे गलती हुई. ओके, सो इज इट क्लियर एवरीवन? अगर A is to D चाहिए तो बस आपको उसमें से A और D याद रखना है. ठीक है, मतलब A और D का पैटर्न याद रखना है और A और D का पैटर्न अप्लाई करना है. ठीक है, तो इस तरीके से आ जाएगा. प्लीज गिव मी सम रिस्पॉन्स. Okay, shall we move to next question?
सर एक बार रिपीट कर ही दियो ना.
हाँ बिल्कुल, देखो. So here in the question they have given us A is to B, B is to C, C is to D. From there, they are asking what will be A is to D. Right, now see how we can find A is to D over here. So I have shown you here in the question or in the theory or in the shortcut that when we are having A is to B, B is to C and C is to D, from there I can find A is to B is to C is to D in this manner, right? How? So for A, I will multiply these three terms. For B, I'll multiply this into this with this. For C, I'll multiply this into this with this. Okay. And for D, I'll multiply this into this with this. So I'll get A is to B is to C is to D. But in this question, they are not asking A is to B is to C is to D. They are asking only A is to D. So for A, I'll multiply this with this with this. For D, I'll multiply this with this with this. Right. So likewise, I'll go A and D. Right. And for A, if I'll multiply 8 into 5 into 4, and here I am having 15 into 8 into 5, so 8 into 5 is common in both the places. So it will get cancelled out and my final answer will be 4 is to 15. Okay, is it clear now? Shall we move to next question? Okay. After question 1, okay, I am going to give you question 2 and 3 from homework. Question 2 and 3 I will share you in the group. Okay, so question 2 and 3 आपको homework से करना है. Right. Now I am giving you question number 4, or I am showing you how to do question number 4. Okay. So see that question. So in this question, question number 4, they are asking seats for mathematics, physics, and biology in a class are in the ratio 5:7:8. So seats for mathematics, physics, and biology. Seats for mathematics, physics, and biology in a class are in the ratio 5:7:8. This is in the ratio of 5:7.